हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एसीसी मुंबई। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्कार, आदाब। कैसे हैं आप? उम्मीद है सब खैरियत से होंगे। Friends, in a previous lecture or rather in the previous video, we have learned about the articles as well as the 15 powerful words in English language, which we can use to improve our spoken English. In today's video, you will actually see the sentence framing. It's something about subject, verb and agreement. The subject verb agreement is called SVA. मैंने कितनी दफा देखा है, my students, they tell me, I have given some homework to you. The next day when they come to me, they say, sir, I do my homework. I am like, what is he talking? What is she talking? Sir, I do my homework. नाउ सी, उनको एक्सप्रेस क्या करना है? उन्हें एक्चुअली कहना है सर मैंने अपना होमवर्क कर लिया, पर वो क्या कह रहे हैं? सर आई डू माई होमवर्क। इट्स ऑल अबाउट द टेंसेस, प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस, फ्यूचर टेंस, also the subject verb agreement. The subject is I, verb is do. I have done my work or I did my work. So in today's lecture, in today's video, I will go through all the sentences framing, the frame of sentences with the subject verb agreement along with the tenses. It's going to make a fantastic amount to you. So please give me a minute. I'll just share the PPT with you. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to my channel, and please give me a thumbs up, please do the needful. And here we go. I'll just share the screen. You are going to enjoy this lecture. Be with me till the end and look at the subject verb agreement. आपको already इल्म होगा इस बात का, still मैं उसको और इजाफा कर रहा हूं इसमें. Just bear with me. Yes, here we go. Subject verb agreement. All right. Now, please have a look at this. Subject plus verb plus agreement. Now, subject is I, you, they. First person, second person, third person. So as a lecturer, as a teacher, I will say I am a teacher. All right. I am a teacher. I is the subject, verb is am, and teacher is the agreement. So if I see with this subject verb agreement, let's see. First person. हम अपनी बात करेंगे फर्स्ट पर्सन, जो है मैं, आई. सो व्हेन आई से आई एंड वी, मैं और हम, ठीक है, मैं और हम, इनके साथ क्या आता है? लेट्स सी द वर्ब. आई एंड वी के साथ क्या वर्ब आएगा? इफ आई सी अ सेंटेंस, आई डू माई वर्क. ऑलराइट, मैं अपना काम करता हूं. आई डू माई वर्क. देन व्हाट अबाउट वी? हम सब अपना काम करते हैं. सो आई से वी डू आवर वर्क. We also do our work. Fair enough. The first person is I and we. So मैं अपना काम करता हूं. We do our work. हम अपना काम करते हैं. This was the first person. We, I say I have one more example. I have my mobile. Now वो do था. That was a verb do. Have और has में क्या तब्दीली होती है? ये देखिए, ध्यान से देखिएगा. I have my mobile. We have our mobiles. मेरे पास अपना मोबाइल है, हमारे पास हमारे मोबाइल्स हैं. I and we, इनके साथ हैव आता है, ठीक है. बट द कहानी बदल जाती है जब सेकेंड पर्सन आएगा. व्हेन वी स्पीक ऑफ द सेकेंड पर्सन, द वर्ब चेंजेस. आई हैड सेड आई डू माई वर्क, you do your work. For the second person, I have a mobile, you have a mobile. So first person, second person, the verb is same as far as do and have is concerned. I have my mobile, you have a mobile. I do my work, you do your work. All right. The change which happens over here is in the third person. The third person is someone whom you and I and you are talking about. हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? All right. So that is he, she, and it. Fair enough. Please have a look. He, she, and it. हम किसी और की बात कर रहे हैं. उस वक्त verb कैसे तब्दील होगा? He does his work. So many times, कितनी दफा मैंने देखा है बच्चे कहते हैं सर he do his work और she do her work. नहीं, he does his work. वो es आता है. You have es in the second person. हम sorry, the third person. When we are speaking of someone, he does his work. For the third person, जब हम आपस में बात करेंगे, किसी और की बात कर रहे हैं, he does his work, he does some singing, he does some washing, she does her work, she does her work. and it does its work. Suppose कोई लैपटॉप है या कोई कंप्यूटर है, कोई मशीन है, it's doing its work. So he does his work, she does her work, and it does its work. Agree? Now, if I speak of these three sentences, he has his mobile, she has her mobile, it has its own color. Now look at this. He has his mobile, she has her mobile, it has its own color. यहाँ पे तीनों has ही है. Alright, so was का था he does his work, he does his work, she does his work. वो do का था does, and he has का क्या हो गया? It has its own color, he has his own mobile, she has her own mobile. Agree? ये do का था और has का था. Simple present, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, ये तीन बाइफिकेशंस होते हैं ऑफ समथिंग कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट टेंस. आज की बात कर रहे हैं, अभी इसी वक्त, आज के वक्त में प्रेजेंट टेंस जिससे हम कहते हैं टेंस इन टुडेज डेट. आज की तारीख में क्या हो रहा है? वर्तमान काल, हिंदी में इसको वर्तमान काल कहते हैं. जैसे वी हैव राइट. सो व्हेन यू स्पीक ऑफ सेइंग एनीथिंग एल्स, लेट अस फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड सिंपल, कंटिन्यूअस और परफेक्ट. ये तीन मतलब एक सेंटेंस, आई एम अ टीचर. सिंपल प्रेजेंट, आई एम अ टीचर और आई टीच चिल्ड्रन, आई टेक लेक्चर्स. फेयर इनफ, आई एम अ सिंपल प्रेजेंट. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस फिलहाल जो हो रहा है, आई एम टीचिंग, आई एन जी, आई एम सिंगिंग, आई एम डांसिंग. इस आई एन जी, वो कंटिन्यूअस में आई एन जी आएगा. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, आई हैव टॉट, मैंने पढ़ा दिया है, काम खत्म. Perfection is when your work is done. So let us see some examples over here. All right. I am doing my work. Please tell me, is it present tense? Agree, present tense है. But अभी मैंने फरमाया था ing, continuous है. This work has not been finished. It's still going on. We don't know when it will get over. Doesn't matter. What we know is that I am doing my work. मैं अपना काम कर रहा हूँ. Fair enough. I am doing my work. I do my work. I am going opposite. I am taking the continuous first क्योंकि मैं आपको सिखा रहा हूँ. I am doing my work. I do my work. I give my lectures. I do this. I do that. It's simple. Simple present. मैं अपना काम करता हूँ. I do my work. Perfect में क्या होगा? मैं अपना काम कर चुका हूँ. I have done my work. Do not confuse this to be with past tense. I'll come to it later. All right. Have आ गया means it is present. I have done my work. काम खत्म. अभी फिलहाल के वक्त I have done my work. Just to take you to jump to the past tense, when I did my work was past tense. I'll come to it now. Agree? So just have a look at this. Present tense once again. Present, simple present, continuous present, and perfect. I do my work. I am doing my work. I have done my work. Nice. Let's go ahead. Past tense, as expected, the same three bifurcations are the simple present, past continuous, past perfect. Isn't the same? जो present के थे वही तीन है. Let's see. I was doing my work, I had done my work, and I did my work. I am coming back to the present perfect first. उसमें क्या था? I have done my work. Alright. ये सिंपल पास्ट क्या होगा? मैंने अपना काम किया. I did my work. I took a lecture. I taught my children. I did my work. I saw a movie. I went for a drive. Or so far so good. I did my work. Simple past tense. I did my work. I was doing my work. ing. Whether it is simple present, I'm sorry, the present tense, past tense, or future tense. ing means it is continuous. It's not simple. It's not perfect. It is continuous. ing. The action is going on. Do you know whether it was completed? No. I was doing my work. For how much duration? 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours? We don't know. So I was doing my work. It is past continuous. We come to past perfect. If there is a big confusion regarding past perfect and past, when I say I had done my work, anytime children say, sir, past tense है ना, I had done my work, मैंने अपना काम कर लिया था. I did my work is my past tense. जब मैं लगा देता हूँ had का अल्फाज, I had done my work, मतलब मेरा काम हो गया था उस वक्त. I had finished my work. Fair enough. So if I say I had done my work, means work is done. I did my work, I was doing my work, and I had done my work. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect. ये सब आपको यूज करना चाहिए when you are speaking in English. I hope you all have started speaking English. प्लीज बात कीजिएगा. वेरी सून आई एम गोना बी लाइव विथ यू सो दैट हम एक वक्त को मुकर्रर करेंगे, मे बी समवेयर इन द इवनिंग टाइम. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, प्लीज लेट मी नो, प्लीज पुट अ मैसेज टू मी. आप लोग मैसेज कीजिए मुझे, व्हाट टाइम वुड यू लाइक मी टू कम इन द इवनिंग, वट एवर टाइम यू कंफर्टेबल. हम लाइव मिलते हैं. लेट अस हैव अ लाइव सेशन. Coming to continuous, continuous, future perfect and future tense with a simple future tense. Let's see. भविष्य काल आगे क्या होने वाला है. We don't know, but it is perception about it. Future tense, simple future tense, future continuous, future perfect tense. Tomorrow I may go for a movie. I will go, I shall और will ये आते हैं future tense में. Alright, so let us see. I will have done my work, I will do my work, I will be doing my work. Future, future, future. All three are future, but what difference do they have? Simple future, future continuous, future perfect. Look at the beauty. I will do my work. मैं अपना काम करूंगा. Alright, I will do my work. I will be doing my work. मैं अपना काम करता रहूंगा. I will be doing my work. Lastly, I will have done my work. मैं अपना काम खत्म कर दूंगा. Nice. सब में will आ रहा है. I will, I will, I will. But after that, the verb changes. I will do my work. I will be doing my work. ing आते ही you will have to say it is continuous. I will be doing my work. And last but not the least, I will have done my work. Fair enough. So this is the way you see all the three tenses. The present tense, past tense, and future tense with all the three things. Fair enough. So with this, I do hope that you have done a fantastic sort of practice of this, and do let me know whenever you're comfortable. I request you to contact me on the message in my group, whatever you send this messages, and let me know whenever you're comfortable. Let us meet. I might plan for some meeting with you if you have if you have some time, so that you can meet very often, or maybe on Sundays, or maybe post evening, post your dinner. I don't even mind post dinner since I'm taking online classes. ठीक है, आप सब मुझे डिनर के बाद आ जाइए, मिलते हैं अपन. ठीक है, maybe half an hour, 15 hours. So we'll have some interactive sessions wherein you will speak something, I will speak something, and we can have a nice session about it. With this, I take your leave. Thank you for your valuable time, and do keep liking and subscribing to my channel. Wonderful being with you. Thank you for everything. Have a wonderful evening ahead. Have a nice time. Hasta la vista.